What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Look at this beautiful weather, not a cloud in sight, but it's actually gonna start raining once again this week. So I'm trying to get as much as I can done. Make a video at least once a week for you guys. Shouldn't be too hard to do. I have plenty of content I need to make and plenty of stuff I need to do to the 350Z. So one video a week minimum should be doable, and yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Just grind out this year and create some dope ass content for y'all. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna install a harness bar onto the 350Z. I've had this harness bar for quite a while now, and I also do have some seats I'm gonna be throwing in there. Just haven't gotten around to it, but today's the day. Just gonna throw the harness bar in there for now, and then I'll make another video. I'm doing something to the seats, which you guys stay tuned for that. It's pretty sick. I already did one of them, but I'll just leave that for another video. I bought this off some guy, I believe is from Enjuku Racing. That's how you say it. Here it is. It's in this awesome blue color, which I'm in love with. Just stands out so much. Beautiful. Camera doesn't even capture it. Let me see if the polarizer does anything. Nah. It's just so bright that it looks like a, I don't know, baby blue on camera, but it's just like this dark deep blue. And yeah, I love it. So sick. So yeah, this should be a pretty simple install. Take the seat belts off, and then 2 bolts that mount into the car in the back. So yeah, let's get to it. I already took out the passenger seat to see if I could fit this bar through the side door or through the back. We'll find out, because if you look at this bar, it's like basically the size of the car, and it's gonna be quite hard to get it in there without messing it up. So see how I do. Like I said before, I already have my seat removed. Look at how clean that carpet is. I just vacuumed this whole thing, and I don't know, that's just, looking at this is so satisfying. Anyways, back to what we're supposed to be doing. There's gonna be these little covers on the seatbelt right here. We're gonna take these off, and then it should be a single bolt right there. Not quite sure what size it is yet, but I'll let you guys know in just a second. So I have removed the bolt. It is a size 14. Now I'm gonna just do the other side and then throw in the harness bar. Alright y'all, now it's time for the fun part. Throwing the harness bar into the car. Don't laugh if you see me struggle. Oh shit. So weird, when it's warm outside, my hatch struts stay open, or like they stay good, but when it's cold, it's like they're completely trash and worthless. I almost forgot to take out this carpet, because as you guys could see, this is gonna bolt down back here, and this is also gonna bolt down. So 2 bolts into the back, and then we're just gonna use our existing OEM bolts for the seat belts. Color looks so sick in there. Completely forgot to take out that bolt right down there. I recommend doing that before you throw in the harness bar, because then you have limited space, but my dumbass totally forgot about it. So I'm gonna take that off now, and then just basically bolt the harness bar into that hole right there, and then there's gonna be another hole over there. Alright you guys, I finally finished the install. I was having a little bit of trouble getting the bolt onto the harness bar right here into the seat belt. I recommend taking out a couple of the spacers inside this seat belt thing, because without them it's kind of a pain to get the bolt to just screw all the way in. So again, I recommend taking out some spacers from this. It's pretty damn solid. So yeah, there it is. Even though it's just a harness bar, it looks so dope in there. I can't wait to get my seats in there and just have the interior ready to go, all set up. Let me show you guys the other side. Put the seat, recline it. Check it out again. Beautiful harness bar. I believe it's called K-Sport harness bar or graffiti, something like that. Super sick. Camera does not capture the color at all, but in person it just looks so good. And let me show you guys the rear, and then I'll just end the video off right here. There it is once again, bolted down right there and right there. No drilling, nothing needed, straight bolt on. Super simple install. And yeah, there's that. Holy shit. So that right there is gonna wrap up today's video. Just a quick little simple install of the harness bar on the 350Z. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Again, there it is. Looks so good. Can't wait to get my seats in, have the interior fully dialed in. And until then, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.